Hey folks, Lance here from Grillbillies BBQ in Wendell, North Carolina. I want to talk to you real quick about a couple items we have in the store most of the time. And probably if you've been in the store, you're familiar with the BBQ42, which is a chicken flipper. It's a chicken cooker. So you build your fire in the bottom, you put your chicken on this squeeze rack or sandwich rack, and then you can flip your chicken all at once. And then go side to side. Makes great chicken. We also have them here. This is the standard with the pullout. This is a exact same unit on a wagon chassis. So it's got a handle. You can move it around easily. It pivots. It's got a front axle. It also has a pin hitch for throw it on a lawnmower or golf cart or something. But this is really what I wanted to discuss today. This is a BBQ64P or a push around. Same premise as the BBQ42s, it's just bigger. So this one has lids. That's an option that you can get, is the lids. This one does not have a charcoal pullout, or I'm sorry, the slide out grates, but that's also an option. But again, it's the same premise. You load your chicken or any kind of item in here. You load it by loading it up there, put your chicken in, squeeze down on the sandwich grate, and then you flip it back and forth just like the BBQ42. This is a 2-pit. You could also get a 3-pit, which is a BBQ96, a 4-pit, which is a BBQ144. You can go up to 10 pits on these things. So they're great for charities. They're great for fire departments, anybody that's doing any kind of a fundraiser. This one was purchased by a church, so it's great for churches, any kind of a civic group that wants to do large cooks. This unit or one similar to it is great. Come check it out at Grillbillies BBQ in Wendell, North Carolina. Check us out at grillbilliesbbq.com and keep on grilling.